To see the fauna of the world, to see the forest so dense, to get enriching experience. The fastest ever made jungle safari is awaiting you at Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue. Explore the world of animals, or say, animals of the world. Brought from reputed zoos of Australia, Africa and South America. Meet them at the clusters arranged continent-wise. Get amazed at sights of wild big cats, wonderful wildlife of giraffe, ostrich and emu. Observe grace of their movements and rise. Meditative trance of the sky, full of surprises and thrills. Raw emotions for you to capture. Get the best of sight and sound of nature. Walk through the largest geodesic dome aviary in the world, the Indian Aviary, a home to indigenous birds. Wonder at the unique beauty of exotic birds in exotic aviary. Macaw, flocked from all across the world. A total delight for bird lovers and watchers. Go to scenic green hills to add to your safari expedition, where you meet the herbivores like black bucks, white bucks, spotted deer, antelopes, chinkaras, sambar or blue bulls. A privilege to meet nature's inhabitants in the habitat so natural to them. Becomes a pleasure indeed. Revel in the royalty of nature's gem. The Jungle Safari is awaiting you at Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue.